see Nine last?
We saw Nine. We went to South Carolina Music Awards. That was a couple of. No, what's that? No, what's South Carolina Music Awards? SMES is about 3 weeks ago. That was. Yeah, it's about 3 weeks ago. We saw Nine.
Oh, bitch.
Yeah. Yeah, he chilling.
Just never know where he's chilling.
Yeah. Working. You ready? Let's roll and roll. I think that's everything. Sure ain't about to get one.
Chargers.
Got your charges.
Yeah, I got everything.
Oh, check. Got your nuts?
Alright, you want a receipt?
Okay, for a whole block, we saving an hour, what we doing?
It's actually it ends up being the same thing. We did 7 hours, it's 55 an hour. So let's see what the difference is. I think it washes up.
We can always maybe credit them hour for next time, maybe.
You wanna do that?
Really, when you go below 8 hours, it's a higher rate.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Kind of